TV News Khammam. Distinguished officials visit Khammam Collectorate. Focus on power sector and district development. District Collector Divakara T.S. extended a warm welcome to Musharraf Farooqui, Vice Chairman and Managing Director of Raithu Discom and Redco, and Karnati Varun Reddy, Managing Director of TGNPDCL, during their visit to the Khammam District Collectorate. Reflecting a commitment to environmental protection, the collector presented them with saplings during the courteous meeting. On this occasion, District Collector Divakara T.S. briefly highlighted the district's power supply system, ongoing measures to ensure uninterrupted and quality electricity to the public, the strengthening of power infrastructure, and interdepartmental coordination in executing development programs. He commended TGNPDCL for its valuable support toward the district's development initiatives.